Here we are in a new kitchen called Dewroma. So Dewroma is an L-shaped kitchen with a kitchen island.
Yeah.
So in an L-shaped kitchen, we have a fluent, efficient working triangle for the kitchen process, and with the kitchen island addition, you will have a much space for your cutting or preparation job.
Yeah, same as the its name. Dewroma is romantic and dreamy, with the light yellow color, with the light color.
So we are using the soft hues for the entire kitchen design, as you can see. And here we are having some raised robust patterns on these PVC thermofoil panels.
Looks a 3D design.
Yeah, it's beautiful if you come closer and touch it. And with the handle, we are using a special flower-like handle design.
Flower-like, and also seems like the moon.
Yeah, it's all about the shapes, and it's stylish and stunning to decorate your entire kitchen cabinets.
Yeah, and our friends from Middle East really like this design.
Yeah, and if we open these kitchen cabinets,
wow,
we can see there is a large worktop behind us.
A tropical forest right here.
Yeah, some flower patterns behind as a background.
Yeah, when you prepare the coffee machine, when you are using the coffee machine here and other small appliances, seems like you are in the tropical forest.
Yeah, Dewroma is full of details and all about the aesthetic of the nature beauty and the soft and gentle contemporary styles. And as for these wall cabinets,
and also with the 3D design.
Yeah, you can see there are so many storage space inside these kitchen cabinets. So in an Oppein kitchen, you will never have to worry about the lack of storage space.
Yeah.
And here we are having another handle design.
And it's also very special.
Yeah, it's special and beautiful, and it can match with the flower-like handle.
Yeah, flower-like.
Yeah, it's all in one and all in beauty. As well, we are choosing the built-in appliances to save the space and make full use of the kitchen, and to make the entire kitchen cabinet all in one, to make your entire kitchen space as a whole.
Yeah. So with this dining area, when we finish the baking, we can just place the food right here and enjoy.
Yeah, for the island, we are adding an additional table for you and your family to enjoy a cup of coffee or a quick meal on this table.
Yeah, and it's also sinter stone, so you can use it for a long term, more than 30 years, and it is scratch resistant.
Yeah. And next, we will move to another space design.
Dining area of Dewroma.
It's actually a home bar for Dewroma. It's on the same series.
Yeah.
It's a home bar.
The home
so
bar.
for home bar is a essential space for home, as sometimes we have to stay at home, but we still want to have a taste of liquor. So a home bar can serve you for the best performance for having a sip of wine.
Yeah, but the home bar also have a faucet and a sink for the preparation of the foods.
Yeah, it's a bar that you can serve the wine. You can serve wines, or you can use it as a beverage station to entertain your guests, to offer them the to catering them with delicious beverage, as we have some coffee makers right here.
Yeah.
And also we are having a small wine cellar. Yeah, it's a wine cooler, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are building a wine cooler for you to keep all your precious wine collections into this zone.
Yeah, and it is also from Oppein.
So not only for kitchens, we are providing all different kinds of space solutions to fit in your home and to meet your requirements. So if you are thinking of getting a new built kitchen design or home bar design, you can always count on us and PM us with your floor plan to make further consultation.
Yeah, and if you liked our design, send us like.
And that's sixth of the kitchen design for today. And for next time, we will share you with more details on the next 6 new collections of our 2022 new kitchen design.
Okay, so except for the kitchen, we also have other fitting furniture such as wardrobe, bathroom, interior door, yeah, and aluminum doors and windows.
Yeah, you can have a whole house customized with Oppein. So
yeah,
if you are thinking of getting a new furnished house, so you can PM us and send your inquiries.
Yeah, okay. So let's see you next week.
Yeah, see you next time.